Hello and welcome. Like me, have you ever wondered what to do with those empty glue pots? Well, after you've made that extra smelly sprue glue, it makes you wonder what else that little glass jar with its fine-tipped brush can do. Can it be repurposed to make these expensive washes? I have some cheap oil paint and some solvent, so let's give this a go. First, I'll add some oil paint to that little jar and address my evil nemesis, the child safety cap. After giving up trying to open this and giving it to one of my children to open, it's time to add the white spirits to the jar. Now, I must admit that I over-thinned this paint. At this point, this is more of a proof of concept, so thin your oil paints to the correct consistency. However, to prove that even though screwing up, this still works, I'll apply the pin wash on this little Kinder Egg Stormtrooper, because only a muppet would experiment on an expensive model, which I definitely didn't record and delete straight afterwards. But let's just concentrate on this little Stormtrooper. Although my camera trickery won't show any details on the left figure, the right figure's details show up clearly, even with my poorly mixed homebrew pin wash. Thanks for watching and have fun.